Welcome back to Audi RS, where we dive deep into the machines that move us. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at a car that proves you don't need a massive engine to have massive fun. The 2026 Audi RS3 Sportback. This is Audi Sport's latest evolution of the hyper hatch, and it promises sharper dynamics, advanced technology, and a compact presence that screams performance. So buckle up as we take you through its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in a full detailed review. Right from the moment you see the 2026 RS3 Sportback, its motorsport intentions are clear. The iconic wide-bodied stance is more pronounced than ever, with flared wheel arches that house stunning 19-inch forged alloy wheels. The signature single-frame grille is now larger and finished in gloss black, flanked by aggressive matrix LED headlights with new dynamic lighting signatures. The front bumper features larger air intakes and prominent carbon fiber splitters, all designed for cooling and aerodynamic stability. Along the sides, subtle side skirts and a sleek roofline lead to an aggressively styled rear. Here, you'll find an oval exhaust setup integrated into a dramatic diffuser and a subtle roof spoiler. The entire design is focused, functional, and dripping with athleticism. It looks like it's doing 100 miles per hour while standing still. Step inside, and the 2026 RS3 Sportback reveals a driver-centric cabin that blends digital luxury with sporty touches. You're greeted by heavily bolstered RS Sport seats upholstered in a combination of Nappa leather and Alcantara, providing exceptional support during spirited driving. The cockpit is dominated by Audi's latest Virtual Cockpit Plus, a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that can be configured to show a massive central tachometer, tire pressures, K-forces, and lap timers. The flat-bottomed RS multifunction steering wheel features convenient drive mode buttons and is perfectly sized for quick inputs. Throughout the cabin, you'll find high-quality materials like soft-touch plastics, carbon fiber trim, and stainless steel pedals. The standard Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system delivers incredible audio clarity, making every drive an event. Despite its performance focus, the cabin remains practical, offering decent rear seat space and a usable hatchback boot, proving you can have thrilling performance without sacrificing everyday USABIL tide now. Let's get to the heart of what makes the RS3 so special: its performance. Under the hood lies the celebrated 2.5-liter turbocharged 5-cylinder engine, an icon in its own right. For 2026, it's been refined to produce an even more exhilarating 415 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through a lightning-fast 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system with the iconic RS torque splitter. This system can actively send up to 100% of the rear axle's torque to either rear wheel, giving the car an incredibly agile and playful character. The result is a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in a blistering 3.8 seconds. The steering is direct and communicative, while the RS Sport suspension with adaptive dampers provides a surprisingly compliant ride in comfort mode and transforms into a track-ready setup in dynamic mode. The exhaust note from the 5-cylinder is a unique, offbeat warble that pops and crackles on overrun, delivering an addictive auditory experience that's as much a part of the car as its performance. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Audi RS3 Sportback positions itself as a premium hot hatch. Expect the base model to start around $62,000. With desirable options like the RS Design Package with more carbon fiber, ceramic brakes, and the enhanced RS Dynamic Package that raises the top speed, the price can easily approach $70,000. For that, you get a vehicle that is a daily driver, a weekend canyon carver, and a bona fide performance icon, all in one perfectly sized, immensely capable package. That's a wrap on today's detailed review here on Audi RS. If you enjoyed this dive into the 2026 RS3 Sportback, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more. Thanks for watching.